Hello and welcome to my channel, Lukem. I am Frank. From 2010 to 2021, Victorinox launched a limited edition classic each year with 10 different plates, decorated with different design. From 2012, a design competition was organized and the 10 winners saw their creations on a limited series of classic. Mine is from 2015 and was designed by Raymundo Rincón, a Mexican designer. It's called Starlight Starbright, and it's the only limited edition classic I have. I fell in love with the stars. Raymundo Rincón is the only artist to have won twice. He was also elected in 2017. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you soon.